Hi, I am Keiara Black. I am an internet experience specialist.
What is your favorite part of working at Evans Auto Sales?
My favorite part has to be being able to speak with clients over the phone and then seeing them come in and leave in a car that they love.
What excites you about coming to work at Evans Auto Sales?
So, what excites me about coming to work is knowing that, no 2 days are the same. So, every day coming in, it's like a new adventure, honestly.
What sets apart Evans Auto Sales from other dealerships?
I think what sets us apart from other dealerships is the fact that when you come in here, where you're not just another number or just another person, you become a part of the family, and we're going to do everything in our power to try to get you in a vehicle that you love.
What's the most important part of your job?
When you get me on the phone, being very present, very aware of what you're saying, very personable, happy, and knowing that I'm on your side and I want you to leave happy.
What's one thing that you wish prospective clients knew about you?
I would want anyone to know that I'm not looking at you as just another number or whatnot. I'm not just a salesperson just trying to get you in the door, but I'm actually someone that cares and wants to see you leaving in a vehicle that you want.
Have you done this for the entirety of your career?
I've been with Evans less than a year. So no, not the only job I've ever had. I've had others, but I do love coming here every day and seeing smiling faces and new people.
What's your favorite piece of advice you've ever received?
My favorite piece of advice would probably be coming from the Bible. Isaiah 41:30 states that those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. And I just carry that with me every day.
What is your favorite car and why?
I don't really have a favorite car, but I do like the Range Rovers. It's an SUV, it's nice, it's a luxury. So I go with that.